Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful and easy guide on how to turn on the file and printer sharing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our control panel. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar here and type for control panel. The moment you do that, please proceed with the best matched and click on open to continue. Now here at the control panel, you would be able to see a window like this, and we need to change the view into large icons. So please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there view by. Set it into large icons by clicking on the down arrow, go with large icons. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see a computer settings or a window like this. Here, you need to navigate to the option called Network and Sharing Center. So I can see it here. It is being placed at the third row next to indexing options. So click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to view your basic network information and set up connections. Where here, you need to proceed at the left pane of that, where you can see there control panel home, change adapter settings, change advanced sharing settings, and media streaming options. And since we're dealing on the file and printer sharing, then we need to proceed with the third option, which is change advanced sharing settings. So click on it. Okay. And the moment you do that, you would be redirected here. Okay. Where under the public networks, okay, you would be able to see network discovery and file and printer sharing. So in this way, you would be able to see these options where you can turn on or where you can turn off. So if you want to allow others on the network to access shared files and printers on this device, to turn it on. Again, if you want to allow others on the network to access shared files and printers on this device, to turn it on. So in this way, you have just successfully turned on the file and printer sharing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a thumbs up and don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on turning on your file and printer sharing here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a good day.